first Toyota Hilux rolled off the production line 55 years ago. Since then, the Hilux has proven itself in the four-wheel drive market with farmers, commercial industries and overland travel. We've put a front runner roof rack on top of the double cab to mount the ARB awning and a second spare wheel. We've also used the roof rack for mounting the CB antenna. For this project Hilux that's heading to North Africa for its first trip, we've started with a front runner pickup bed rack, which we've mounted a roof tent to. This system keeps the roof tent below the roofline. Inside the pickup bed, we first mounted a full-length cargo slide, which holds all the storage boxes. An excellent way to have easy access to everything stored in the pickup bed. Using the space to the outside of the cargo slide, on the right we've mounted the auxiliary power bank and DC-DC charging system for the lithium battery, and we've left space to extend that battery bank in the future. From here we send power to various fuse boxes mounted around the vehicle. The second row of seats have been removed, and we've built a removable platform to mount this huge ARB cool box, which is easy access through the door and leaves storage space on the other side. We've wired in a fuse box for auxiliary power in the cab to power the fridge, and there's also a socket for the awning light. Up front in the cab is a discreetly mounted CB unit in the glove box. It's easy for the driver to get at, and this Midland CB is one of our preferred units with all the controls on the handset. On the left side we've mounted an ARB twin air compressor. This feeds a neatly mounted air socket inside the fuel filler flap. From here you can access tyres all around the car and inflate anything else you need to.